M3 competition. Sick ass ride, sick ass fool with a gray paint job, carbon fiber everywhere. We already did the Meister shaft system on there. It came with the carbon fiber tips. Now he's a carbon fiber diffuser. Pretty much carbon everywhere. Side skirts, front lip, all that. You could see it. Pretty sweet. Looks awesome on the gray paint job. This is kind of like a Nardo gray pour style paint job. Like I said, we did the Meister shaft system, so it's a pretty sweet axle back. It comes with the muffler, the valve control. We did a custom midsection. We got rid of the resonators. He didn't want to spend on a full midsection from Meister shaft, so we ended up amplifying it with the midsection from G exhaust. Add the edge pipe on there to equalize the flow, and then he wanted a little bit more power. We got him some EPA compliant mid pipes that are high flow catted downpipes. So the stock downpipes are out of there, super restrictive, not making any power. We got them test fitted. They fit like a glove. Sounds good, looks good. We're gonna drop it, check for leaks, make sure everything's sweet, and then we're gonna run it, see how much power it's making. And then he's gonna probably get a tune on this thing. So should make another 100-something horsepower, and this M3 is gonna be rocking. So stay tuned. We got the BMW all done. Should I pop the hood? You guys want to see what the downpipe looks like? So I got the downpipes installed. You're gonna see what they look like. I don't know if you can get a shot of them down here, but if you can see down there, there's the downpipes. Got them installed. Yeah, you can't see anything really. But yeah, we previously put these Mishimoto air intakes on there. Last time he was here, we did the Mishimoto and the Meister shaft system with the mid pipe. So he still got these Mishimotos, pretty sweet. That's a nice little solid upgrade. High flow catted downpipe, still passes EPA emissions, which is awesome because it makes about 25 horsepower without messing with the ECU. So no tune required. High flow catted downpipes, we do sell a lot of those. This is technically a track car. He does not daily drive this vehicle. This is only for track use only, so track purposes only. You guys can see, because it's got racing seats in there, full carbon tub, bucket, orange, carbon fiber bucket seats. Pretty sick. This is the 2024. The 2024 competition has the option for the bucket, which is awesome. I mean, you can't get much cooler seat. Not very comfortable if you ask me. Kind of like, you got nut smashers right there in the middle. Carbon fiber nut smashers. And that carbon fiber matches the carbon fiber on the back end with the Meister shaft tips. So we slapped the Meister shaft on there. He did the carbon fiber diffuser. Has a full carbon lip. Carbon fiber wing. This thing's dope, man. As you guys can see, I like the carbon fiber. The GTC has all that shit too in carbon. So Nardo gray paint job with the black carbon, looks dope. Full carbon kit all the way around, side skirts. And like I said, the interior is just absolutely outrageous with this orange. And the new dash, the 2024s come with the new dash, which is sick. Carbon fiber pedals, you know, paddle shifters. Starlights in the roof, pretty cool, pretty cool. And then you know about that M2. That one's not. Just gotta warm up. Got the BMW finished, M3 competition. Carbon fiber drill, I didn't even realize he upgraded that. That looks sweet. So yeah, man, I mean, this thing's badass. Carbon fiber everywhere, Nardo gray paint job. He's got literally carbon everywhere. Carbon grill, carbon inserts, carbon front lip. It's dope. It's dope. Carbon fiber side skirts. Need some carbon fiber mirrors. That'd be cool. Some carbon fiber vents. Got the side skirts carbon, rear diffuser carbon, rear wing carbon, roof carbon. Pretty sick. I mean, it's awesome, you know? If you got a Beamer, you do it right like that. You don't put a bunch of tacky shit on there. Go carbon fiber, that's the way to go. And looks awesome with the original paint. You don't even have to wrap this thing to make it look good. So, like I said, M3 competition done, 4-door sedan, pretty sweet. I just did the G80 body. Downpipe, high flow catted downpipes installed, midsection custom by G exhaust, Meister shaft axle back with the carbon fiber tips, Mishimoto air intakes. and that's a build right there. So you want to make some power with your M4, your M3, your M5, whatever it is, we do it. We do everything from EPA standard emission upgrades to cap bats to air intakes, to you name it, we'll do it. So if you're looking for a system, looking for downpipes, looking for air intakes, hit us up, G Exhaust Davey, G Exhaust Oakland Park, gexhaust.com, and always like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate the follow, guys.